Bird owners know that every bird species is unique. Each species-specific Kaytee product was formulated by an avian nutrition expert to ensure that your bird gets the proper nutrition it needs for a healthy and happy life. Kaytee is a veterinarian recommended brand. That means you can be confident that your pet bird's diet contains quality ingredients for optimal health. Kaytee Exact Foods have been a recognized nutritional leader by avian nutritionists, veterinarians, and breeders since their introduction over 25 years ago. Our extruded products are 100% consumable with no seed hulls or shells for less mess. Choosing a formulated diet ensures that your bird gets exactly the right nutrition in each and every bite to produce beautiful feathering, bright colors, and maintain excellent health. Exact Foods also support digestive, heart, brain, skin, and feather health. Kaytee Fiesta Food is a nutritionally fortified gourmet diet made of a premium blend of fruits, vegetables, seeds, and grains. Choosing Fiesta means offering maximum variety, fun, and nutrition for your bird. Fiesta contains prebiotics and probiotics to support digestive health and is formulated with your bird's species in mind. Fiesta also supports heart, brain, skin, and feather health. Kaytee FortiDiet Pro Health is a seed-based blend of fresh, palatable seeds, grains, and supplements that contain probiotics and prebiotics to support digestive health. Choosing FortiDiet Pro Health means offering a nutritious blend of ingredients that your bird will enjoy as part of a healthy feeding routine. FortiDiet Pro Health is rich in natural antioxidants for general health and immune support, plus contains healthy bits that support heart, brain, skin, and feather health. Kaytee Supreme is a wholesome essential mix that contains natural protein, fiber, oils, and nutrients from whole grains. Choosing Supreme means offering a diet made with natural grains and seeds and no added artificial colors or preservatives. Fortified to ensure a balanced blend, Supreme utilizes natural seeds, grains, and pellets to provide your bird with a simple yet healthy diet. Kaytee understands that sharing your life with a pet bird is not only enjoyable, but very enriching. With over 150 years of avian nutritional experience, it's no wonder why Kaytee is at the heart of every healthy feeding routine.